You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing expressions from Latin, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Two different ways of pronouncing the first word in English: res or res. So res judicata or res judicata. Now in classical Latin, the first word would be said more as in res or res. Res judicata is also correct, and now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.